Hello everyone, welcome to NBC News. Well, there's a huge gap between the three Final Four teams that have made it so far and the rest of college football. We thought Tennessee had a shot and we were wrong. Tennessee didn't even have a prayer as they lost 38-17. Texas will play the winner of Houston at Penn State in the Orange Bowl in the Final Four. The game started off with a bang as the Texas Longhorns took an early lead with a field goal by Feller, putting them up 3-0 in the first quarter. In the second quarter, Texas extended their lead with two impressive touchdown runs by Worcester, making it 17-0. However, Tennessee managed to get on the board with a field goal by Hunt, bringing the score to 17-3. Just before halftime, Texas struck again with a touchdown run by Street, giving them a commanding 24-3 lead. Coming into the second half, Texas continued to dominate with a 32-yard touchdown run by Street, widening the gap to 31-3. But Tennessee fought back, with Scott throwing an 8-yard touchdown pass to McCleary, bringing the score to 31-10. In the final quarter, Texas sealed the deal with a touchdown run by Bertelsen, making it 38-10. However, Tennessee didn't give up, and Scott connected with McLean for a 20